Hello, Harmony School of Advancement. My name is Patrick Gilbert, and this is the simple pendulum. And the question that comes behind what is a simple pendulum is, what is the physics behind a period in which a simple pendulum moves? And it can be explained by this action. Now, as you notice, this simple pendulum is moving back and forth in what is called a period, the motion in which a pendulum goes from here to here, back to here. So it's just like this. That is one period, and period is measured for or the amount of time it takes to go from there and back. Now, there's more to it than just a pendulum moving back and forth. There is actual math behind it, as explained by this formula. 2 is equal to 2 pi times the square root of L over G. Now, basically what all this means is that T equals period, 2 is 2, pi is 3.14, L is the length of the wire in which the pendulum is attached to, and G is gravitational force. Now, what you can notice from this is that everything is a constant but L. Now, basically what that explains is that the period of a simple pendulum solely depends on the length of the wire in which the pendulum is attached to, meaning that if a pendulum is attached to 6 inches of wire, the period will only be half the time at which a pendulum would take if it was attached to a wire that is 12 inches long. It's very simple, hence why it's called a simple pendulum. It's all explained by a simple formula in math. And now moving on to the ELA aspect. Whenever I was completing this project, I kept it in a simple binder like this. Now, what the history behind a simple pendulum is regarding the social studies component is that it was first invented during the Han Dynasty as a seismograph, and then it was further studied by Galileo, and then around the Renaissance age it was used in clocks, like your average grandfather clock, and because temperature actually affects how a pendulum moves, it is obsolete today. Now, that's all that I have today, so thank you, Harmony School of Advancement, and you have a good day.